principle, this bridge will be used only for vehicles coming from Vasco, Margaon, Kankona, Tesari to go to Panjim. And only heavy vehicle, if they come, one lane will be kept for them to cross this bridge, because the old bridge cannot be used for heavy vehicle. So we are taking that call and we will decide how to do. But that bridge, Purni Zuari bridge also, it will be only one-sided traffic, two-lane bridge to go from Panjim to Margaon, Vasco, etc. Before December of this year, we will start. Now all other parameters will work. And traffic diversion will notify Gurung Patta, Sakali Gosti. So we will make a traffic plan first with the SP traffic and the PI, because they have to man. And we will formulate a plan and then we will notify, and then we will, when everything is ready, when they are load testing, the second half we will load testing. They have brought almost 100 trucks of 35 tonner each. 32 trucks, 32 trucks of 35 tonner each.
32 number.
Correct. So with that, the system of load testing is going on. We are going to monitor that, and then we will know how the faces are, and we will decide. The old bridge, we have to renovate it. We might have to take a tender separately. So that bridge is not that safe.